How to give yourself a self-care pick-me-up. Feeling overwhelmed? Remember, your mental health is pivotal. It shapes your mood and daily life. When it dips, it's time for self-care. Start by carving out time just for you. Prioritize your needs. Be your own best support system. It's essential when life gets tough. Next, treat yourself. Retail therapy isn't a cure-all, but a thoughtful splurge can be. Ever thought about flowers? They're not just pretty. They boost your mood, beautify your space, and offer a sense of comfort. So go ahead, buy that bouquet that makes you smile. Now how about a spa day? Whether at home or a facility, it's about relaxation and self-care. Imagine soaking in a bath, getting a massage, or a fresh manicure. Spa days are slow-paced by design, offering a tranquil escape and a chance to beautify yourself inside and out. Finally, tackle your space. Declutter and organize. It's not just about cleanliness, it's a mental reset. A tidy space can bring a new perspective and reduce chaos. It's a physical action with a mental benefit, adding order to your life when you need it most. Wrap up your self-care session with these 4 tips. They're your toolkit to flip a bad day or week on its head. Here's to a happier, healthier you.